UiFlow2 now supports devices achieving internet communication capabilities via standard network protocols. In the function extension block area, select the Easy TCP function module under the software extension category. Next, we will demonstrate the complete communication process for two cores, 3 development hosts, building a TCP server and a client respectively. After initializing the WLAN wireless module, you can proceed with development using the graphical Blockly programming modules. Case 1. Demonstrating Cores 3, acting as a server host, providing TCP services. Case 2. Demonstrating Cores 3, acting as a client, sending TCP requests.